Today we're going to be talking about the 6 weirdest ways to grow on YouTube. But before we get started, I need to mention the first person to comment, #weird, gets a shoutout in the next video. But don't worry, if you're not the first person to comment #weird, our next video will have another hashtag. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be the first person to comment the secret word. But remember to watch the next video all the way, because we will not provide the hashtag in the beginning of the video like this one. Also in each video the secret word will be different every time. With that said, let's get straight into the video. Number 1. Rickrolling your viewers. Yes, I know, sounds really weird, right? Well, rickrolling your viewers is one of the strangest ways to grow your channel. But how can rickrolling my viewers help grow my channel, you might ask? Well, to answer that question we need to dig deep into the YouTube's algorithm. Audience retention signals. Audience retention signals is whenever someone like your video, share, or comment. A lot of people after getting rickrolled by a video likes to leave a comment about it. Especially if they notice you include it in every video. One YouTuber who uses this is the famous UK tech reviewer, Mr. Who's the Boss or Arun Maini. In almost every of his video he somehow manages to include a rickroll at least once in every video. From this to this.
People think I'm obsessed with Rick Astley. I just don't get it.
Also, rickrolls also help with watch time. I'll leave a link to a video at the top right corner of your screen that teaches about watch time. So if people know that you will include a rickroll in your video, they always want to watch the whole video to see how will you introduce it. Number 2 is to give away your house. You can also do free and easy giveaways, it works too. Free and easy giveaways can be anything you want. If you can afford it you can do big giveaways like phones, PCs. But I recommend at first just do shoutouts for now. It's when you pick someone and shout them out. Like for example, at the beginning of this video I told you guys to leave a comment saying #weird. I'm hoping you already did that, and the first person to comment will get a shoutout in the next video. It helps with your channel, because people want to get shouted out, so they need to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way every new video you create they can be the first to say the secret word. So don't forget to use shoutouts or small giveaways. Number 3, interesting sound effects. Some channels like Beluga grows really fast with this technique. Beluga is a Discord meme channel, and he uses interesting and funny sound effects to keep people watching his video for longer. I'm going to play a clip from one of his video, tell me what you think. And if it makes sense make sure to include them in your video. Here we go. Wasn't that interesting to watch? Yes, you watched it. Did you get bored? Most likely no, because the sound effects really reset the viewers' attentions. And yours too. With that we're going to end the video. By the way, if you would like to download some of the sound effects I'll put some links in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you be the first to say the secret word. And we're going to also share a very rare way to get your first views and impressions on YouTube, so stay tuned.